Hello everyone. So in lesson number 14, we will make plant watering system with the help of DC pump, 5-volt relay and Arduino Uno and batteries. So here the students will learn the circuitry of relay, soil moisture sensor, DC motor as well as the batteries. So students will understand how to use all these components in conjunction with each other as well as how to write the program to start watering the plants automatically if moisture level goes below certain threshold value. That's it for today's video. Bye.